In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text on Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, professional-looking gradient effect to your text so your slides stand out without any complicated tools. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. From there, open the Google Apps menu, the small grid icon, and choose Slides. This takes you straight into Google's presentation tool. If you already have a project you're working on, open it. If not, choose a blank presentation so you can practice on a fresh canvas without distractions. With your presentation open, look at the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, select Text Box. Your cursor will change so you can draw the text area. Click and drag anywhere on your slide to place it. You can always move or resize this box later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Now type the words you want to style. Short titles and headings tend to show gradient effects best, especially if you're using a larger font size or a bold typeface. Make sure your text box is selected so the formatting you apply affects the right element. Next, go to the toolbar and click the Fill Color icon. It looks like a little paint bucket. In the panel that opens, switch to the Gradient tab. You'll see several ready-made options with smooth transitions between colors. Click the gradient that matches your theme or brand. Instantly, your text takes on that modern gradient look. If the effect doesn't appear as expected, confirm the text box is selected before choosing the gradient again. Take a moment to view your slide at full size. Gradients are all about subtlety and contrast. If your background is bright, pick a gradient with deeper tones so your text is readable. On darker backgrounds, lighter gradients pop better. Try a few presets to see which one complements your layout and imagery. Remember, you can always undo changes if something doesn't look right. Finally, adjust the position of your text box so it lines up nicely with other elements on the slide. Centering titles or aligning them with images can make the gradient feel intentional rather than distracting. That's it. Clean, eye-catching gradient text created directly inside Google Slides with just a few clicks. Thanks for following along. Now you're ready to enhance your presentations with gradients that look polished and professional without leaving the app or using any external tools.